So today, by doing very simple steps, we will be able to fix this problem. Make sure you follow all the steps. So let's get started. You just need to press Window and our key together, or simply do a right click on the Start icon and click on Run down here. In the Run window, we just need to type services.msc. Now once you type it, hit OK. Any window will appear like this. And I'll just maximize it so that we can see, and we will sort it by alphabets. And now we are looking for Bluetooth services. Now I can see here 3, and you may have more than 3 services running here. So whatever the Bluetooth services are running, just do a right click, go to Properties. And from here, just click on Automatic Apply. And OK. Once you click on Automatic, once it is done, just do a right click and start it. So what we are doing here, we are making the Bluetooth automatic, and we are also running it, we are also starting it. So I have done with the first service. Now I will just go to the second one. I'll just do a right click, go to Properties, and from Manual to URL, select Automatic, Apply, and OK. And then do a right click and click on Start Ball with the third one. So once you're done with this, just restart the computer and see if your Bluetooth device is working or not. And also make sure that if you have any Bluetooth key on a keyboard. Let's say now these days there are so many laptops which has a Bluetooth key on it. So make sure that is also turned on. Now if still you have issues, we will move to the next step. And for that, we just need to click on this search icon. And here we just need to type Troubleshoot. And you will find an option which says Troubleshoot settings that will look like a new window will look like this. Now here we just need to click on additional troubleshooters. And here, we just need to scroll it down and find and fix other problems. Bluetooth, find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices. So we just need to click on that, and we need to click on Run the Troubleshooter. Now it depends on your computer. It might take 2 to 3 minutes or more than that. And once the system, just restart the computer and see if your Bluetooth device and Bluetooth working or not. And if you still have issues, so what you can do is I'll just close it. Here, we just need to click on the Start icon. And we need to go to Device Manager. Now here in the Device Manager, look for Bluetooth device, so there will be a Bluetooth icon. And Bluetooth mentioned whatever the Bluetooth devices you see here, you just need to do a right click. So you don't have to do it on network adapters. I'm just giving an example. Here you just need to select the Bluetooth device. Whatever the devices you have, in the name of Bluetooth, just do a right click like this and click on Update Driver. And if it says that it has already updated, then move to the next one. And do it like this for all Bluetooth devices in your Device Manager. And once that is done, just restart the computer and see if it's working. And if you still have issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix it. Guys, if you have not subscribed or liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.